This is more than just your kitchen. It's your place of exploration, where you create something delicious and shape something beautiful. For you, KitchenAid offers more than an oven. Introducing the KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus with powered attachments that let you steam, grill, or crisp. Like the KitchenAid stand mixer, its attachments connect to a powered hub. You direct the oven through its touchscreen, your tablet, or smartphone. The oven controls the attachments, so every recipe comes out as beautifully as you imagined. Of course, you'll also find even heat true convection and all the baking and broiling features you expect in the Smart Oven Plus with powered attachments from KitchenAid.
Alexa, ask Delta to fill dog bowl.
Ask Delta to fill coffee pot.
Hey Google, fill 150 milliliters from faucet.
Fill 35 ounces from faucet.
Custom fill the things you use most with the exact amount of water you need. It's the smart faucet technology that does more, so you can too.
Thanks.
Voice IQ technology. See what Delta can do.
Sometimes we can't focus 100% on cooking because our attention is needed elsewhere. Wouldn't it be nice if your stove would be smart enough to tell you when your pan is ready for food? When you should turn on your cooker hood? Or how about if cooking timers were set for you? Or would notify you if the stovetop was accidentally left on? Meet Saphira Sense, the smart cooking sensor that gives super senses to your stove.
Kidding. Introducing Spoon Tech, the spoon that enhances the way you taste food. Yes, really. So now if I taste yogurt, or ice cream, or soup, or even boiled broccoli. This spoon's going to enhance the flavour and make you enjoy your meals even more. The spoon uses built-in ionic technology and is made with the best-in-class food-safe materials. That way, when your tongue touches the food, it instantly enhances the flavour via a small electrocurrent which passes through the food. This means you taste the difference without receiving any electric charge. The spoon is washable by hand and comes in multiple colours, so you can match it with your regular cutlery. So what are you waiting for? Get your Spoon Tech today.
How long is the wine good for once you pop the cork? That wine won't stay perfect forever. All wines begin to change when they are open. Even on the first day, the taste isn't the same. Why does it matter? Because when we want to enjoy a glass of red wine alone, or have 2 glasses of different wines with our friends, we give up too often. With Albicchiere, the smart wine dispenser, you don't have to give in anymore. And that glass, served at the right temperature, will be perfect. You will enjoy it like you've never have before.
G'day, I'm Chef Jason Roberts. You know, true power is knowing when not to use it. The Jaws variable speed, high-performance blender with 3.5 peak horsepower motor ensures even the most difficult ingredients are pulled right where they need to be. The high-performance low-pitch blade is heat-treated for extra strong ice-crushing capabilities, grind nuts into butter, reduce grains into flour, or craft homemade dips and sauces with ease. The BPA-free 64-ounce Triton blender jar is designed with optimal wall height and a 1.5-ounce measuring cap, equipped with a pulse function and a 99-second count-up timer. You're always in complete control. To learn more, go to jawskitchen.com.
Together, introducing Merge, the world's first auto-stacking containers. Perfect for things that go better together. We designed Merge to fit your lifestyle, from the home to the car, to the office, to the Friday night hangout. Merge brings what should be together. Built for quality and versatility, Merge has all of the features you would expect from a premium bottle. So the next time you find yourself taking 2 when you just need 1, remember us. Because at Merge, we believe that some things are better together.